In this video, I want to show you how to input paper, how to load paper in your HP Envy Photo 7975. This printer can take photo paper and also regular printing paper like this one. Step number one, stick your fingers on the front and pull this drawer out. There is two different trays, one lower and one on the top. This is called the photo tray. It's mostly to print on smaller photo formats, 5x5, 4x6, 5x7. Here I have a photo paper. You simply have to glide it with the printing side facing down. So this is glossy. I'll put it facing down and I'll simply put it all the way in like this on this photo tray if this is what I want to do. These small flaps on the side can also extend in case your photo paper is larger. The second photo tray, paper tray is located under. If you're printing on legal size paper, 8.5 by 14, you can lower this panel over here so that the longer paper can actually fit. But for this example, I have US letter size. I'll simply glide it in between these two blue guides. If these blue guides are closer like this, you can extend it by pushing them. And then glide your paper stack right over here. Push everything back. Thanks for watching. I'll put links towards Amazon if you want to get photo paper or normal regular paper. So check my Amazon links down below, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.